Hi, my name is Dr. Fotis Lirokapis. I'm a senior lecturer at Coventry University, and I'm going to be talking about one of the modules I'm teaching at Coventry, which is Physics for Computer Graphics. This is a second-year module, which is part of the BSc in Games Technology degree that we have at Coventry. The module is about the basic principles of physics, which are used for computer graphics, and this involves collision detection and the simulation of physical phenomenon. Students will have to learn how to use C++ in order to create collision detection for different sorts of games. The module consists of two assignments. The first assignment is an easy assignment, which they have to implement basic things in collision detection, while in the second assignment they have to create a complete game with really difficult collision detection techniques. They have to reconstruct the game from scratch, and the idea is to have a complete game which is going to be used for the portfolio for the third year.